Good morning. Wala pang bunga yung kamansi. Good morning, everyone. Buhay probinsya. Ang mga nyug na hindi pa nabunga. Yung iba may bunga na. Puro puno dito kaya mahirap yung pangtabas na ano. Yung nalagyan ng gasolina. Nako, ay puro bato. Mahirap. Pababa pati oh. Ang daming malalaking kahoy. Good morning, good morning. May kumukuha doon ng ano, ng nyug. May kumukuha ng nyug. Ayun, daming nyug nun oh. Daming bunga. May puro ibon. Ayan oh. May daan ng tao. Uso rin dito yung nagbubuganos. Ayan. Ay, ako malaki ito. Dadalhin ko ito. Hindi ko to kaya. Yan oh. Yung mga lagay sa ano, sa mga halaman, nabubulok na mga nyug, buli. Kukunin ko yan soon. Ito yung nilalaroan namin nung kami bata pa oh. Yan oh. Yan oh. Yan. Tangkay ng dahon ng buli. Nilalaro namin noong bata pa kami. May panggata na ako sa gabi. Laing. Ayun oh, meron. May laman. Thank you Lord. Mamaya, bigay ko to sa pamangkin ko. Para iba naman. Laruan. Ito na. Queenie. Toys. Toys, oh. Drrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Your toys. Here. Slippers. Where's the slippers? May panggata na ako. Natuwa. Happy? Okay. Happy ka sa toys?
Happy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hindi pa nanuklay ah. Okay, come on. Here. Dito. Oh, sige, go. Yeah, sige. Tulak mo. Lakad. Brrrr, ganun. Lakad. Go. Wow, happy? Yan ang pagkaabalahan. Ganda. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.